Hey guys, video on the uranium stocks. Yeah, again, weak here. We did bounce from the point of control, but nothing significant. We couldn't even get back above this 20 EMA on the 4-hourly and never even touch this point of control to the upside. So with the next attempt, we'll probably break this. Also then invalidate this wave 4. Also, it has been taken too long here compared to this wave 2. So in my opinion, yeah, this one is now taking full control. Already is more the case with UAC. This one had a little bit more room to the downside, but now it's starting to show a lot of weakness as well. So I would ignore these two. I mean, these two could give a little bit of support at 16.5, 16.9, but I think this one is a little bit more of a significant level at 15.15. And then below that, yeah, we have the 1-to-1, especially this one, I think, together with the 0.3 to around $12 will be an interesting area to watch. Yeah, that's it for energy fuels. In the meantime, I think it's gonna be great opportunity to buy more or to enter if you've not been able to buy previously. The RSI will also continue to reset here. We're doing all of this on very low volume as well, lower volume again here, so yeah, that's it. Focus shifts towards here in my opinion until it proves me otherwise. UAC very similar. I was trying to force a 5-wave move in here to give like a running correction here, but that's now also becoming less likely, and we could focus on the next SIP. Once we lose this point of control here at 12.22, we have to focus on $9.93. Above that, we have the 1-to-1 here because this one is a very overshooting B wave compared to energy fuels where it's a B wave that goes to the 1-to-1. This one is higher, so your FIPS also go higher. I mean, good weekly volume and good candle actually, if you look at it from this point of view. And this one already, we can force it to be complete like this, okay? I'm just saying if we lose this point of control now, we have to watch 11.47 and then the $10 range for potential next levels where we can try to reverse from, okay? But this one looks, especially with this candle, and because of this being an overshooting B wave, the C wave target box starts already at the 0.618, looking also possible that it can indeed be the bottom here. But we know there is downside pressure on the whole market with the ongoing war, etc. So just be careful here. We're still here holding pretty high compared to where we are coming from this low. I might add the FIPS here as well. And as long as you stay above the 618, this can be a 1-2 setup, after which we try to move higher, and then this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be indeed correct, and we will finish this wave C here, after which we are gonna try to move higher. Trying to think like, can we do the same for energy fuels? I mean, we've not lost this point of control yet, but this as a 1-2 setup, it's going like very low now, and it's gonna hit the local 86 here as well, which I don't like. So for this one, this is, like I said, not an expand. Like, we have a high B wave, but it's not like hitting the 1.236. So let me just check if we have this scenario. Can we then also have the 0.618 as a target? If yes, then we can maybe also look for a running correction here. We have this 618 in pink together with the white fib for this wave 2 support. Okay. And then also this is in an area where we have this previous range here. Okay, look, we ranged from November up until December, end of December, January at this level. We will also backtest this zone now, okay, together with these two fibs. So if I can load, okay, it's here. Nope, it's not there. Flat, regular flat, 90%. Like this could be a regular flat because it's like the 90 to 1 fib, and indeed with this one you can also find your C wave target at the 618. Expanded flat, this one I'm not looking for because this one requires a very deep C wave and I don't want that, and in this case that would mean that we really have to push towards this $10 area. And then we have the running flat, which I am leaning on a little bit on the UAC chart, but it could be also on this one. The thing is, here, of course, this is just statistics. Usually your B wave goes to the 1.236. We don't have that on energy fields, we have that on UAC. On energy fields, it looks a little bit more like a regular flat, where the B wave goes towards the 1-to-1, and then also here you can have the 618. So yeah, I would watch this level first, then if you lose this point of control, and of course this whole zone here, I'll mark it green. Okay, I know it's ugly, but I'm laying on the couch. I also don't have a mouse. I'm using the mouse pad, so it's a little bit of a struggling video, but yeah. I've said this already previously. If this breaks, then we'll just have to move the wave 2 to here, and this will be a larger correction after a larger wave 1 completed here. And you can see like this move was massive, so it's normal that it takes time. Okay, I don't think we're gonna lose this low yet, because for that we would require a massive C wave now. Don't think we're gonna have that much time. If we also look at the S&P and the Nasdaq, I think they're all nearing a low. Bitcoin is doing really strong, and even if we go for one more low on this one, don't think it's gonna take forever here. Okay, so yeah, I think we're almost there for the whole market actually, and then we'll see from when we make new lows, we'll see how we can react from there and try to work on a better foundation across the market to work like with 5 waves to the upside, and hopefully find our way towards new all-time highs. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.